Hello, hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back to our cozy little podcast. How are you today?
Hey, Nina. I'm still waking up, I think. Morning brain is slow today. And how are you?
Oh, I'm okay. A little tired too, but happy to be here with you all. You know, in this podcast, we talk in real English, not textbook English. Mistakes are normal, and that's totally fine.
Yeah, exactly. And if you want, just hit subscribe somewhere here. Not pushy, just friendly reminder.
Yes, and today we are going to chat in a very easy, everyday English way. Nothing scary, promise.
So today's topic is morning person versus night person. People usually say this wrong, like, I am morning type. But it's better to say, I'm a morning person.
Yes, and some people feel super awake in the morning, but sleepy at night. Others, like you, Nero, are more active at night, right?
Yeah, exactly. I think I do my best work late at night, but in the morning, I need coffee.
Same, but some people wake up with energy and can run or study and feel amazing. Okay, let's explain a little. Sometimes people say, I wake up early always, but it's better to say, I always wake up early. See? The word order is important in English.
Yes. And sometimes I say, I like night more, but better English is, I like the night more. Little things, but they matter.
And feelings. Don't forget feelings. For example, I feel sleepy in the morning, not I am sleepy in morning. Small difference, but it sounds natural.
Oh, I remember yesterday. I woke up late for a meeting. I said I was late. No, I mean I was running late. It's small, but real English.
Perfect example. And it's okay to correct yourself while talking. That's how native speakers also do.
One night I was so awake, I cleaned my room at 2 a.m. I felt proud, but tired next morning.
Oh, yes. And then in the morning, you say, I stayed up too late, not I was up too late. Small grammar fix, very natural. Now you try. For example, say I wake up early and feel happy.
Or you can say, I stayed up late and felt tired. Try it with your own day.
Another common mistake, people say, I sleep at 10 p.m. every day. But in daily speech, we can say, I go to sleep at 10 p.m. Sounds more natural.
Oh, yes. And for night people like me, I can say I go to bed late, but I feel productive. Small words make it smooth.
And when we talk about morning routines, we also use small feelings. For example, I brush my teeth and feel awake, not just I brush my teeth. Feelings make sentences alive.
Yeah. Yesterday I woke up late, ran to catch bus, and I said I was running. I ran late. So real English is okay, even with small mistakes.
Okay, Nero, sometimes people say, I eat breakfast in morning, but it's better to say, I eat breakfast in the morning. Small word the makes English sound correct.
Yes. And I also say, I drink coffee at morning, but better is, I drink coffee in the morning. It's tricky sometimes.
Yes, very tricky for learners. And don't forget feelings. For example, I drink coffee in the morning and feel awake. See? One action, one feeling.
Oh, I see. And for night people like me, I drink tea at night and feel relaxed. Small feelings make big difference.
Yesterday morning, I tried waking up super early. I said, I am going to wake up at 5 a.m. Oh no, 6 a.m. I felt tired, but happy because I tried.
That's great. And sometimes I wake up late and think, I should sleep early. Too late now. Real life, right?
Now you try. For example, say, I wake up late and feel sleepy. Try it with your own time today.
Or, I stayed up late and felt creative. Add your feeling and action. Makes English alive.
Another mistake I hear a lot, people say, I morning exercise. But correct is, I do morning exercise. Small verb do is important.
Ah, yes. And for night people, I do exercise at night sounds better than I night exercise. Simple, right?
Exactly. And you can add feelings. I do morning exercise and feel fresh. Or I do night exercise and feel awake.
Yeah, feelings are very important in spoken English. They make sentences natural, not just words.
Last night, I tried writing a to-do list before bed. I said, I write my list. No, I wrote my list. Felt organized and calm.
I sometimes plan my day in morning. I think, I plan my day and feel motivated. Very simple but effective.
Now you try. For example, say, I do morning exercise and feel happy. Say it slowly. Feel the word happy.
Or, I plan my day and feel ready. Add your own small feeling and action. Makes English alive.
Another small thing. People say, I am night person, without article. Better is, I am a night person. Always add a.
Ah yes, I am a morning person. I am a night person. Small word makes English sound natural.
And sometimes people say, I sleep early at night. But in daily life, we can say, I go to bed early. Very common.
Yes, and feelings. I go to bed early and feel relaxed. Or I go to bed late and feel tired next morning.
Oh, yesterday, my friend woke up super early. She said, I wake up at 5 a.m., but really she meant 6 a.m. Still, she felt productive.
And I, stayed up watching TV late at night. I said I watch TV. No, I was watching TV late. Felt sleepy but happy.
Now you try. For example, I go to bed early and feel happy. Say it slowly.
Or I stayed up late and felt sleepy. Use your own daily life example.
People also mix morning and night with good sentences. For example, good morning, I eat breakfast is wrong. Correct, in the morning, I eat breakfast.
Oh yes, and for night people, at night I read a book, not good night I read book. Small prepositions matter a lot.
And add your feeling. In the morning, I eat breakfast and feel awake. Or at night, I read a book and feel relaxed. Makes it natural English.
Last night, I read a short story. I said I read story. No, I read a story and felt calm. Very small correction, but important.
And this morning, I had tea. I said, I drink tea in the morning and feel warm. Simple sentences, but real English. Now you try. For example, I eat breakfast at night and feel happy.
Or at night, I listen to music and feel relaxed. Say it slowly with your own feeling.
Okay, Nero, one last small thing. Sometimes people say, I morning drink coffee. But better is, I drink coffee in the morning. Always start with action, then add time.
Ah, yes. And for night people, I night watch movie is wrong. Correct is I watch a movie at night. Small words like and at matter a lot.
And feelings again. I drink coffee in the morning and feel awake. Or at night, I read a book and feel relaxed. Always combine action plus time plus feeling.
Last night, I cleaned my room. I said I clean room. No, I cleaned my room at night. Felt proud, even late.
And this morning, I went jogging. I said, I go jogging. No, I went jogging in the morning, felt fresh and happy. Now you try. For example, I cleaned my room at night and felt proud. Or I went jogging in the morning and felt fresh.
Yes, or make your own sentence with your daily action and feeling. Small sentences are perfect for practice.
One last tip. Don't worry about small mistakes. Native speakers also self-correct all the time.
Yeah, like I said yesterday, I was running late. No, I ran late. Small corrections are natural. Don't stress.
And always say your feelings. I felt happy, I felt tired, I felt calm. Feelings make your English sound real, not like a textbook.
Exactly. Action plus feeling plus time equals easy, natural English.
Okay, my lovely learners, that's all for today's chat about morning people and night people.
So, what did you learn today? Try telling your own day in small sentences with feelings.
Yes, and write your sentences in the comments. I would love to read them.
And don't forget, subscribe and share if you enjoyed this cozy little English practice with us.
Thank you for being here. Stay warm, keep practicing, and see you in the next episode.
Bye everyone. Keep speaking English every day.